addition. As you can see, children, there are two boxes on one side of the equal to sign, and there is one box on the right of the equal to sign. We have to count and add the objects in these two boxes, and the total has to be equal to the number of objects in the third box. Let us start counting the objects in these two boxes. Remember, children, plus means to add. So we have to add the objects. So what do we have here? Yes, they are specs. So let's count them. And how do we count them? By cutting each specs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's check the total in the third box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 here too. Both sides are equal. So the answer is correct. What do we have here? They are snails. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 snails. Now let's see what's in the third box. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 here too. So our answer is correct. Now here we have pens. Let's count the pens one by one. Let us cut each pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's check the total number of pens in the third box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here too we have 7 pens. So the answer is correct. And lastly we have scissors. So let's count the scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pairs of scissors this side. Now let us see what we have this side in the third box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally we have 8 pairs of scissors in the third box. So the answer is correct as both sides are equal.